Yo, 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 what's good, y'all? This is your boy Chris. I am out on the R3 doing the voiceover back at it again. Yo, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we on the go. So I'm on my way to work here, and there's a little bit of rain, just getting used to riding the bike. At some point I'm gonna get stuck in the rain, so I figured why not? It wasn't too heavy. The roads were a little slick, but I had to worry about my visor fogging up, so I had to open it and close it and stuff like that. So just getting used to things like that and being comfortable with just riding in it. So that's what I'm doing. But what's good, y'all? Y'all, so this is Olympia, Washington. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice place. The houses are pretty nice out here, and typical Seattle weather right now, cloudy, gray skies. You can hear the wind going a little bit. I'll try my best to fix the audio, fix that wind and the audio the best I can. But how y'all think I'm doing, man? I think I'm doing pretty good on the bike. That's a pretty good stop. Let's see how I pull off. Yeah. Yeah, sir. I'm a biker. Biker for sure. Man, look at the farmland out there. Nothing but land, beautiful skies. This is like I think this is like 8 in the morning or something. So you got the little farmland. We went see, we picking it up now. But yeah, I think for the R3, now that I had it pretty much almost a month now, um, man, it's so much to like dissect with the R3. It's like it's such a good bike. I could see myself keeping it, but it's just the power, the breakneck speed, the speed breakneck speed is not there. It's so much fun to drive though. I enjoy driving this vehicle a lot, and like the previous owner of this bike only had it for like what 2 months. So, and I've been watching a lot of videos on R3. That's about the time that most people keep it for like a month or two. But I'm probably gonna keep this for like probably like the rest of probably for the until next summer or something like that. Maybe upgrade to a 600 1000. I might the person that had this bike already did a lot of upgrades. I'm not gonna lie, I got a lot of upgrades. I might change out the mirrors. I still think those are stock mirrors. They changed out they got the halo lights on the side, and they changed the shift levers and stuff like that. So I don't know. I might see about changing that other stuff, making it more me. But I know a lot of y'all in the comments and stuff saying it's not really worth upgrading, because it's like more of a temporary bike. So I don't know. I mean, I could definitely see why. Um, but this is a great bike to learn on, and um, smooth rides. You can see how I take the turns. I'm taking these turns cautious. Yeah. Yo, imagine what my helmet sounds like. I don't know how y'all could hear the wind, but yeah, I need some earplugs. I actually do have an earplug somewhere in this garage, but I need to definitely cop some earplugs. So when I'm riding, because my helmet, or I need to get some headphones or something. And you see an accessory I'm definitely gonna do on here. I'm definitely gonna get the phone mount. even though I'm pretty good with directions now that I have the bike, it's like I have no choice but to remember which way to turn and different routes. I think the other day on this same road, there's like a little detour where I couldn't come back this way, and I still figured out. I don't know. I just pretty much followed the flow of traffic and figured out how to get myself back to the crib. You feel me? But coming up here soon is this turn that I was always worried about before I got a bike. It was like a so sharp of a turn, but um, I'll tell you when I get to it. But I'm so proud of myself the way I handled that turn and just approaching it at the proper speed. But before we get there, just living in Seattle is just, or in Washington in general, because I'm not really technically, I'm a little bit, 30, 40 minutes away from Seattle, but just living out here in Washington is just a different experience. To compare this to New York, if you from New York and you watching this, shout out to y'all. Comparing this to New York, this is like living in Long Island. You feel me? So it's like traveling from Long Island to Manhattan, and it's kind of different. This is kind of the burb. There's a lot of trees. You don't see deer, wildlife. Actually, I don't even see deer like that. I'm lying. I have seen deer a couple of times, but more than deer, I see a lot of raccoons. There's a lot of goddamn raccoons, and I don't like raccoons at all. But they be out here look with they bandit looking selves, just standing on their two legs and stuff, doing whatever they doing, walking around the neighborhood. But yeah, man. There's a lot of trailer parks out here. People live in trailers. There's a lot of homeless people out here, y'all. If y'all looking to move out to Seattle, just know there's a lot of homeless people. Probably meth labs. People living out in tents all across the highway and things like that. In Seattle itself, once again, I haven't seen it myself, but I've been told by multiple people they got needles all over the sidewalks and stuff. But I've only been like down. I've only really gone to the downtown parts of Seattle because that's where the fun tourist stuff is at. Times Square type stuff. But this is the turn right here. Y'all see how sharp? This turn is hard to turn in your car. You see how everybody's going slow, but I'm proud of myself. Look how I took that turn like a pro, in and out, press and roll. You feel me? Uh, but yeah, I think I handled this pretty well. I wish I knew when I was riding that my the camera's getting the raindrops on it too. I know my visor is getting foggy, but it is what it is. It makes for good content either way. Y'all can still see what it is. And yeah, I can't remember if it was this morning or another morning that I rode in the rain. Oh my god, my whole butt was wet. It was crazy. I went to work and I was just sitting next to the radiator to just dry off my pants. But and I had like put on an extra layer of clothes. I put on a like a rain pants over my uniform so I could stay dry. And my butt was still wet. It's crazy. So yeah, I definitely say if you're gonna ride in conditions like this, make sure you got proper gear. I thought I had the proper rain gear, but apparently it wasn't good enough. I needed some extra layers. But definitely some tips I would say for riding in the rain. Also, definitely get some rain pants. I have on an all weather jacket here. Obviously my helmet. I closed the vents on top of my helmet. I for one. Well, this is also in the fall months. So, I would recommend it's probably like 50, 60 degrees in this video. So for myself, I would recommend getting long johns. I really need to get a pair of those because my top half, I have an all weather jacket, biker jacket from Alpinestar. So it got plenty of layers. So I'm really warm up top. And then my legs and my knees and of course my hands, but I got good gloves on my hands, so my hands don't really get too cold. But boy, my legs be taking that beating from the wind, I tell you. It's real stuff right there. So this is another sharp turn. This turn is hard to do too, but no, I'm not. I was never too worried about it. But those are some things I definitely recommend you getting. Definitely good pair of good warm pants. If your hands still get cold during these months, I would recommend also looking into. Dang, I took that turn a little too wide, touching the yellow. I'll work on that one. But also hand warmers. Hand warmers would be something good to pick up from the store. Keeps your hand warm. Keeps your hand warm. Keeps your hand warm. So that'll be something to look into. Thick layers or layer up with your pants. Um, Good warm shoes or boots. I mean, you should already have on like boots or whatever on your feet. So your feet should be warm, to be honest, when you're riding, unless it's like in the summertime. But obviously, we're talking about the colder months. So and then just get a good jacket. I got a good old weather jacket. I didn't want to go for the leather yet because I figured the leather would get soaked up and like get messed up in the rain, like how it's raining now. So I got the all weather jacket. So it's doing. I would definitely recommend my jacket. If y'all want the link to the jacket I got, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to leave it in the comment box or in my description or whatever. Just let me know if y'all care to know that. If y'all don't care, I can do y'all research. I know I haven't really showed y'all my gear. I'll probably save that for maybe a video next week. I'll show you all my motorcycle gear and the things I use to when I ride. Y'all already seen the helmet, so. But yep, um, pretty much where we're going from here, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. Pretty much just cruising down the road here, so I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see this. So uh, appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the support. Hope y'all go ahead and like. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. It's your boy Chris, and I'm out.